In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service in Xero. By the end, you'll have a reusable service item that speeds up invoicing and keeps your accounts tidy and consistent. First, open Xero and head to your main dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with access to manage products and services. If you use multiple organizations, confirm you're in the right one before you continue. This helps ensure the new service appears where you expect. From the dashboard, go to the Sales area. This is where you manage everything related to customers, quotes, invoices, and your item catalog. Adding your services here lets you pull them into invoices with a single click, so you don't have to retype descriptions or prices each time. Inside Sales, choose Products and Services. This brings up your item list, which can include both physical products and non-inventory services. We're creating a service item, which means Xero won't track stock on hand or quantities received. It's simply an entry you can bill for, like consulting hours, installation, or support. Now select New Item and fill in the details before you save. Start with a clear item name that your team and your clients will recognize on invoices. Add a short item code if you use codes. It's optional but helpful for searching and reporting. For the description, write the wording you want to appear by default on invoices. Keep it specific and customer-friendly, and you can always tweak it on any individual invoice later. Under Sales Settings, tick that you sell this item. Enter a unit price if you bill a consistent amount. If your price varies, you can leave it blank and set it when you invoice. Choose the right sales account, typically an income account dedicated to services, so revenue is categorized correctly in your reports. Pick the appropriate tax rate based on your region and the nature of the service. If you're unsure, check your local rules or confirm with your accountant to avoid reporting issues. If you also incur costs for this service and want to track them, you can enable purchasing details for the same item, but that's optional. If your organization uses tracking categories, assign them here to segment revenue by things like region, team, or project. Give everything a quick review for spelling, pricing, accounts, and tax, then click Save. Your new service now appears in the list and is ready to use on quotes and invoices. You can edit the item anytime to refine the description or price, and archive it later if you stop offering that service. Consistent names and accounts will make your invoicing faster and your financial reports much clearer.